Yep, you're welcome, dear. Here we have 2023 WASSCE questions number 5 objective. And the questions here express 413 base 7 in base 5. That is the question. Now, how can we express this in base 5? We have solution, right? We have 417 to base 7, right? Which is 413 base 7, right? So how can we express this in base 5? The first thing that we need to do, we need to convert it to base 10. That's the first step I need to take. Why? Because you cannot convert from base 7 to base 5 directly. No. You have to convert it to base 10 first. That's the first thing that you need to do. Right? Now, and by converting to base 10, so we need to look at this. That I take my number from 0 and from the right of the digit, which is we have 3 digits here. We have 4, we have 1, we have 3. So I take my counting from 3, which is I start from 0, right? Count it to the left hand side, which is 0, right? I have 1, right? I have 2, right? So which is 0, 1, 2, right? Now we have this here, which is 4 times 7 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 7 to the power of 1 plus 3 times 7 to the power of 0. So this will become this. We look at this now, you will see it that this 4, that is what I picked, right? And multiply it by the base, right? Why? Because we are working in base 7. Convert from base 7 to base 10, right? So that's how it will work. Now, if you look at our counting, you see that 4, the first digit by the left hand side. But if you count our counting from the right hand side, which is from 3, start the counting from 3, which is 0, 1, 2. That is what? The 4 is 2. That's why you see that 7 to power of 2, right? That's why it's 7 to power of 2. Now let's pick the next digit, right? Which is 1 multiplied by 7, which is the base. See that when we pick 1 here, when we pick this one, which is this one multiplied by 7, now this 7, which is the base, right? What will be the counting here, which is here, which is 1. That's why you see 7 to power of 1 here, right? So that's gone. Let's pick the next digit, which is 3. Pick the next digit 3, multiply it by 7, which is 7 here, base, because we are working in base 7. And if you look at here, our 3 here, the 3 digit here has what under 0 from our counting. That's why we say 7 to power of 0, right? 7 to power of 2 is 49, and 7 to power of 1 is 1. 7 to power of 0 is what? Is 1. Now we have 4 times 49 plus 1 times 7 plus 3 times 1, right? Now the result will be equal to 4 times 49 will be equal to 196, and 1 times 7 is equal to 7, and 3 times 1 equal to 3, right? So this become this. Now now is now in base 10. So we convert 413 base 7 to base 10, right? Now what we do next is by converting these two to base 5. Now we can go to direct to the base we are asking us to convert it to, which is to base 5. Now the first thing to do, we convert to base 10, and now from base 10 to the required base mean that, right? Now we can see here that 5 here, 5 can goes in 206. How many times, right? We see that it will go 41 times to be the remaining value, which is equal to the remaining value of this, because it will remain 1. All right, so that goes this way. Now you will see that 5 goes in 41 8 times, right? 5 goes in 41 8 times, but it's still going to remain, because 5 times 8 to give you 40, right? 40, which is 41 minus 40, to give you what? 1. That will be the remainder, right? It will remain that. Now we see that 5 can still goes in 8 1 times, right? Can goes 1 time, right? Now what is it going to remain? Remain 3, because 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 3, that will be equal to 8, right? Now 5 can goes in 1, now that is be 0, right? Now what is it going to remain? Remain the 1. So this will be in this way. Now what can we do next? Now we are going to start our counting from bottom to top, right? We count it now, you see that the result will be equal to this, which is 1311. Now we see that here 413 base 7 will be equal to 1313 base 5. And if you look the correct options, we see that B is the right option. Thank you for watching.